If you want to customize your SurveyMonkey link, I'll show you the fastest way to find the setting and what to expect if your plan doesn't support it. This is a simple tutorial, but it's really useful if you want a cleaner, more branded link for sharing your survey with clients, customers, teammates, or on social media. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to SurveyMonkey in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the survey you want to work with. Make sure you choose the correct survey because the link customization options will only apply to the survey you select. After opening the survey, look for the Publish Survey option. This is where SurveyMonkey gives you the different ways to share and distribute your survey. Click Publish Survey to continue. From there, you'll be taken into the sharing and collection settings for that survey. Now click on Settings. In the Settings area, look for the Customize option. This is the section where SurveyMonkey lets you change parts of the link or adjust the survey's sharing setup depending on your plan and account type. Once you open Customize, you may notice that some link customization features are locked. If that happens, don't worry. That usually means you need to upgrade your SurveyMonkey plan in order to use that feature. In other words, if you're trying to customize the survey link itself and the option isn't available, it's not a mistake on your end. It's most likely a plan limitation. So the main steps are, go to SurveyMonkey, open your survey, click Publish Survey, go into Settings, and then click Customize. If the feature is available on your account, you can make the changes there. If not, SurveyMonkey will prompt you to upgrade before you can continue. A quick tip here, always double check the survey link before you share it widely. If you're using the link in emails, on websites, or in ads, make sure it looks right and sends people to the correct survey. It's also a good idea to test the link yourself in a new browser tab before sending it out. And if you're using SurveyMonkey for business or research, keep your survey naming and link organization consistent so it's easier to manage multiple surveys later. Small setup habits like that can save you a lot of time. So that's how to customize your SurveyMonkey link and where to find the option inside your account. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.